Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. Today I would like to show you another app that you can use to create good designs, which if you didn't have the app and wanted to create something like that, it would just take you a lot of time. It would take you a lot of time, and this app saves a lot of time, and you can use these images for your print-on-demand business. So this is called WordCloud, and it creates so-called WordCloud. So if you don't know what it is, I'm going to show you that. So first of all, you need sort of your keywords that you want. So if we just select maybe the niche veganism, let's say, what kind of keywords do we have? We've got veganism, maybe plant-based, plants, animal welfare. What else? Yeah, eat plants, eat plants, maybe herbivore. Animals are friends. Save the earth. And you really want to have about 10 or so. So we could also say vegans. And then can't think of any more, but that might be enough. And then you go back and it creates something like that. Yeah, which is very, very, very nice actually. And you can also, if you've got your phone, you can add images. So just assuming we wanted to add, let's see what there is. Anything, I just select this one here and maybe another one. Just could be anything that's related to plants, for example. Yeah. Even if I choose just an avocado, all right, and then I go back, and it adds these in different sizes to this image. Now, this image, you can have that in quite high resolution. It's not as high so that it wouldn't go onto Amazon Merge, but you can upload it to Redbubble, Spreadshirt, for example, Shirty, and Society 6, for example. But it's not, the resolution isn't high enough for Amazon Merge. But anyway, I think it is quite good. And what you can do, you can select the colors here. For example, you can select these colors, and it then changes. You can select the colors yourself. You can also change the font types, and I think you do that when you go to font. So you can change the font type. You can change the, as you can see here, you've got smaller and larger text elements, and you can change like the range. What's the minimum size and what's the maximum size? So as you can see here, you can make them all small, which isn't great for print on demand, or you can just make them all large, but then it wouldn't look that sort of, creative, and it's a bit boring. So you want to have a good mix of smaller and larger text elements. Maybe not too small, but as you can see here, you can select different fonts as well. And if you want, you can also select some images which might relate more to to veganism. So let's choose maybe this one, yeah, or an apple. And by clicking on it again and again, it gives you different options. And this app is really fantastic. So you can just click on it and it gives you different options and really good designs, and then you can upload them onto your t-shirts. And if you want to do something like that manually, it just takes a long time. Yeah, and as you can see down here, you've got various different sort of images that you can use. For example, different types of plants or anything, or even like here, I think this, for dogs, dog lovers or whatever. So it's just really nice. And this is just something I wanted to show you quickly. And the good thing is you can just export it to PNG, and because it's got a transparent background, you can just upload it to Spreadshirt. So it's called WordCloud. I found it very useful, very helpful. If you suddenly can't think of any more designs, it's a good way for you to just enter some keywords here, and it gives you a nice, just a nice design, which you don't find that often actually on Redbubble, but because the design itself includes the keywords, it's quite nice. I think it would look quite nice, for example, for some like a coffee lover, and you add coffee beans, coffee lover, cafe latte or something like that, and you've got maybe a coffee, a cup of coffee here, so something like that. But yeah, so just wanted to show you that. I hope you liked the video. If you did, then please click on the like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about my print on demand journey, and if you want to follow me and see my next videos. Thank you very much. Bye.